Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I would like to discuss the importance of selecting the right educational board for our children and students. As we all aware, selecting an appropriate educational board is a crucial decision as it has a long-term impact on the future of our children. In this video, I will help you to explore the differences between two of the most recognized educational boards in India, IGCSE and CBSE. CBSE stands for Central Board of Secondary Education, whereas IGCSE stands for International General Certificate of Secondary Education. Let's talk about the learning medium. As we all know that CBSE is a popular nationwide and it affiliates a wide range of schools, so CBSE provides the opportunity to both English and Hindi medium students for their studies. Whereas being valid on the global standards, IGCSE deals in only one medium, which is English. So if we compare recognizing authorities, CBSE is recognized by Union Government of India that follows only NCERT curriculum all over India. Whereas if you look at IGCSE, it is established by the University of Cambridge International Examinations and recognized worldwide that emphasizes on student-centric education. Let's see the difference between the approach and focus areas. CBSE curriculum favors on entrance exams for engineering and medical courses. And the learning approach is quite traditional. They focus on the learning the subjects and its approach is theoretical. There is a clear lack of practical approach and application even in the majority focus science subjects. We find the approach of study quite different in IGCSE versus CBSE. If we talk about IGCSE, it is student-centric and focus on knowledge and making mind creative for learning. The syllabus is quite demanding and approach is focused on application rather than learning theory only. The curriculum focuses on courses like IB diploma program and in the North American APT program, which is called Advanced Placement Test. If we talk about the subjects, CBSE provides subjects in combination that are called stream. A student can choose subject from his or her respective stream only. Environmental social study, SUPW and languages are not a compulsory subject in this board. English is a compulsory subject in all three streams. These three streams are called science, commerce and arts. Whereas in other hand, IGCSE provide a range of over 70 subjects. So a student can opt for subjects according to his or her ease. There is no bar of the stream or anything like CBSE. Every subject in IGCSE is designed to learn global research and perspectives. Let's compare the text and reference books. CBSE follows the book by NCERT and reference books are also available easily in the market for his prescribed syllabuses. You have a lot of choices. You can easily approach for different books of the publisher and you can easily find YouTube videos related to CBSE curriculum. In other hand, IGCSE does not have the option of prescribed syllabus because I think it is because of the global perspectives. So students can go for most recommended books of their subjects. There is a wide range of ways to learn things the best way. If we compare the examination system in both IGCSE and CBSE, CBSE conducts AISSE, All India Secondary School Examination, and AISSCE, All India Senior School Certification Examination for 10th and 12th class respectively. On the other hand, IGCSE conducts Cambridge Primary and Cambridge Secondary 1 and 2. At the end of the video, let us see what are the pros and cons if you choose CBSE or IGCSE. Let's talk about the advantages of choosing CBSE. CBSE is good for the students who keep on migrating within the country due to parents' job transfer or any other reason. The fee structure is comparatively lower. CBSE allows private candidates and even the non-affiliated schools to participate in the exams. As I mentioned before, coaching and guidance are easily available throughout the country. Now there is a lot of online institutions, lot of material is also available, lot of virtual teachers are available to teach CBSE curriculum. If you look at the disadvantages or cons of the CBSE board, So number one, it is providing very less number of subjects as compared to IGCSE. This curriculum does not encourage much for extracurricular activities. There is a lack of communication, collaboration and critical thinking. CBSE's focus is less on social science and languages. The approach to even subjects is majorly theoretical. On the other hand, let's talk about the pros and advantages of IGCSE. IGCSE provides a good range of subjects as per choice. It can focus on sciences, commerce, languages as well as humanities also. IGCSE favored by students who want to pursue their studies in abroad. IGCSE focus on knowledge rather than marks. Whereas there are some cons about IGCSE. For IGCSE, there is a comparatively difficult to find coaches and tutors. IGCSE is comparatively expensive as compared to CBSE or ICSE state boards, and it's only limited to the English medium. So if you are in Hindi medium students, it's difficult to survive with IGCSE. After conducting thorough research, drawing from my personal experience and conducting a general survey, I have outlined the distinction between IGCSE and CBSE. It is important to note that your perspectives may differ from mine. Ultimately, the choice of the board should be based on your unique circumstances, priorities and goals. Both IGCSE and CBSEs are highly regarded and are widely accepted. In conclusion, it is crucial to carefully consider your options and make an informed decision that aligns with your individual needs and aspiration. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.